Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, cruise control, power windows, trip odometer, clock, cargo area light. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.